Welcome to Ausis Group. My name is Vaibhav Patel. I'm a registered migration agent at Ausis Group. Today in this video, we are going to learn about a Global Talent Independent Program for a subclass 858 visa. Global Talent Independent Program is a streamlined pathway for a highly talented professionals. Australia is after the brightest and the best global talent to work in selected future focused sectors. Now Australian government has announced total 15,000 allocations for this visa program for financial year 2020-21. Following are the selected future focus sectors. To qualify for this program, you have to demonstrate that you are a highly talented individual in one of these sectors. To make it simple to understand, I would divide this program into two pathways. Pathway 1, a graduate pathway. If you are a high performing graduate who has completed a PhD degree or will be completing a PhD degree in upcoming 6 months in selected future focus sectors, you can qualify for this program under this pathway. Or pathway 2 for professionals. If you are a highly talented professional or individual who is working in one of these sectors, and either you can demonstrate that you are already earning 153,600, which is a high income threshold for this program, or you can demonstrate that you have a potential to earn this amount, then you can qualify for this program under professional pathway. As a part of your application for this program, you will also need a nominator who is an Australian citizen or a permanent resident or an Australian organization who has a national reputation in the same sector as yours. If you believe you qualify for this program, you will need to file an expression of interest with supporting documents to prove your claims. If you are successful, you shall receive an unique identifier number from the Global Talent Independent Program team, which can be then used to apply for a subclass 858 Global Talent Visa. The processing time for an expression of interest is between 3 to 6 months, while the processing time for a subclass 858 visa is up to 3 months. Ausis Group has successfully assisted more than 100 professionals in going through this program already. If you wish to keep yourself updated with the latest news on this program, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.